She has a pink dress. She has a pink dress. The stars twinkle at night. The stars twinkle at night. The boy is jumping. The boy is jumping. I love to draw. I love to draw. The lion is roaring. The lion is roaring. The fish is swimming. The fish is swimming. She plays with a doll. She plays with a doll. I wash my face. I wash my face. The moon is big. The moon is big. The leaves are green. The leaves are green. The car is moving fast. The car is moving fast. The frog jumps in the pond. The frog jumps in the pond. He kicks the football. He kicks the football. I open the door. I open the door. She is wearing a hat. She is wearing a hat. The bird sits on the tree. The bird sits on the tree. The water is clean. The water is clean. The baby is laughing. The baby is laughing. The dog has a bone. The dog has a bone. I can count to 10. I can count to 10. The fire is hot. The fire is hot. She has a teddy bear. She has a teddy bear. The kite is flying high. The kite is flying high. The cow eats grass. The cow eats grass. The clock ticks slowly. The clock ticks slowly.
I see a butterfly. I see a butterfly. The wind is blowing. The wind is blowing. The boat floats on water. The boat floats on water.
I have a red balloon. I have a red balloon. The ant is very small. The ant is very small. The lamp is bright. The lamp is bright. I jump on the bed. I jump on the bed. The apples are red. The apples are red. The chair is made of wood. The chair is made of wood. The teacher writes on the board. The teacher writes on the board. The kite flies in the blue sky. The kite flies in the blue sky. My teddy bear is very soft. My teddy bear is very soft. Birds sing sweet songs. Birds sing sweet songs. The sun shines. The sun shines. I eat apples. I eat apples. Trees give shade. Trees give shade. Flowers smell nice. Flowers smell nice. My toy car moves. My toy car moves. The cake melts. My toy car moves.
Bees make honey. Bees make honey. I love chocolate. I love chocolate.